Hai guys, ketemu lagi dengan saya Cerita Nana dari Republik Ceko.
Hi.
We are
Hi.
Emmy, look at that. Now we are blue. Same like mommy. Oke guys, panas hari ini. Aku mau mindahin tanaman yang aku ini EMíLIE. Tanaman yang aku beli kemarin, lemongrass atau serai. Terima kasih yang sudah komen. Yang ngasih tahu itu namanya serai. Ya, lemongrass. Aku mau pindahin dari tempat yang aku beli kemarin. Aku mau pindah ke pot gede. Yuk guys, yuk ikut yuk. Jadi kemarin saya beli lemongrass ini atau serai. Ini cabai sama tomat, tapi tomat cherry tomato kalau nggak salah. Sebentar saya lihat. Ya, cherry tomato ya. Jadi aku mau pindah serainya ke pot yang lebih gede. Yuk ikut yuk guys, yuk.
Having a next holiday for no bees.
Aduh Tata, can you fix my camera? Maybe put it higher. They can see only my
I will.
Need to be this bubble need to be in between those black stripes.
You know it's recording, right?
I don't.
Yeah. Alright guys, alright.
Good.
Good.
Irem.
Thank you. Ceko. Ini saya punya segini gede. Tata baju finishing my ground. What am I gonna fill up with this?
I'm gonna kill some underground.
Oke guys, karena tanahnya ternyata dihabisin suamiku tadi buat nanam itu, kita tunggu dulu dia cari tanah sambil dicampur tanah yang beli ya, jadi half and half atau separuh-separuh. Aku jarang loh ada nemu serai ini. Kalau di depan rumahku ini banyak sekali gitu serai. Dibikin minuman endes. Bye.
I'm going to a holiday, a special holiday.
Where are you going? With Brownie in your house? Look, there's a bee in Brownie house.
Get the bee out, mommy, quick.
So,
Get the bee out of quick.
pakai shoe, mana? Yeah, it's already out.
She's just scary. I think he
How
wants
many
to.
chairs do you have inside?
Mommy, this is a table.
Ah, okay, sorry. Thank you. Lanjut. Ngapa, Beb? Now you press.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Wah, dishwasher is ringing. Sambil panas-panasan, suamiku sudah cari tanah. Ini tanah jadinya campuran ya, tanah dari beli sama tanah dari sini. Kita butuh ini. Ibu-ibu, kursiku main tak benerin dulu ya, biar pemandangan di belakang saya bagus. Maka aku ganti pemandangan dari sini dan aku dapat sinar matahari dari sana. Masukkan tanahnya. Sedikit dulu. Iya. Nah, sekarang kita cabut Citronova trava atau lemongrass atau Simbopogon citratus Ini harus panas, di tempat panas katanya. Kita squeeze biar ininya. Yay, aku bisa taruh lagi biji cabai di sini.
Magic.
Lemongrass. Main ketok ya. Susah. Wah, daunnya malah kotor tuh. Dimani-man sih. Enak iki kalau dibikin minuman ya, digodok kasih gula Jawa kali ya. What you doing, Emilko?
I'm putting them.
You helping Tata? Ini kayaknya, wow, this dia jatuh. You took the chair, that's why you lost the feet of the those one, not your feet. Ini kayaknya aku mau potong daun-daunnya ya. Bisa dibikin minuman. Aku masih punya satu gelundungan gula Jawa. Biar panjang lagi. Kita potong yang ini. Ngelawir. Oke, ini sisanya buat cabe. Lari.
And then I did.
Oke, kita potong-potong daunnya ya. Nanti dibikin minuman. I cut the leaves.
Oh, Mommy,
Hi.
I am the boss of the police.
You are the boss of the police.
No, I am the police.
You are the police. Oh, baunya enak sekali. You know,
You
this is
should.
very good.
You shouldn't
Tastes good. I mean,
never buy any flowers and
You
then
put
you
inside?
can cut it.
no yo. Thank you.
Never ever.
Terus ini biji-biji cabai ini aku mau
Oh,
taruh di air, direndam dulu. Ternyata katanya kalau direndam lebih cepat ya. Kemarin aku nggak rendam, jadi aku mau rendam ini.
I can
Terus
decorate
nanti
this
taruh di
one.
situ.
I can decorate.
You put decoration,
Yeah.
but it's supposed to be tam, not here.
Mommy, just a little bit of this, like a circle.
Lucky always. Yeah, do you wanna find some grass for brownie?
Of course. But I'm too late.
What do you mean?
I'm too late.
What do you mean too late?
I'm too late. I need some work.
I have some work to do, ngono. Wah, banyak banget bijinya, guys. Banyak sekali.
Oh,
I'm gonna put it in the air.
in the iron.
In the air. Don't worry. Dan oke, kasih banyu. Pakai sandal.
But it's so itchy.
Tak sandal.
It's so itchy from the sandal.
So wash the sandal first, no?
No, jest czysty. Mamy troszkę písek jenom. Tak, tak?
Let Emil go. Tata already cleaned it up.
You clean it up.
Emil, don't talk to mommy like that.
That what?
What is that smell? Did you make some fire inside?
No, they make. Somebody makes. I think also down there the neighbors by the street.
Mommy, I want to also water it.
Pwede may dama.
Tamnya water those one. Yeah,
Thank you.
the tree that Tata just put it on.
Whoa.
No, good job. Udah Tata waiting for you. Thank you. Tak. Udah, makasih. Ini udah ya, cabenya udah dikasih air. Harusnya mungkin direndam semalam kali ya. Anyway, pokoknya sekarang kasih aja tanah. Pakai sarung tangan dulu ya. Berisik ya EMíLIE ya. Apa sih, Ndok?
The opposite way.
Stay safe di rumah guys ya. Semoga aman-aman. Mau pipis?
No. What in the world?
May ribичку.
Mommy, I need to only.
Don't make this what?
I want to help Mommy.
Yeah. Kita kasih space. Ini banyak banget ini kalau tumbuh nih nanti nih.
So cold with water. I'm taking.
A fish.
Mommy, I am taking caring of a baby fish.
Baby fish. Takyo.
And I am putting
Yos tambahin ini lagi ya guys ya. Tambahin tanah lagi.
you.
Ini bapaknya sama anaknya mau bakar-bakar ikan.
Now let's open it.
Ikan apa ini, Beb?
Trout.
Fish.
Trout.
Trout fish. What do you have there?
Parsley, butter. We're gonna bring some salt,
And fish.
fish. We don't have some pepper, and like that. And we're gonna put
The smell of those
wood chips.
apa jenenge from the neighbor.
What?
The one that you just bring. The smoked meat.
You don't like it?
But the smell is so strong.
It did.
Don't you want to wash it first?
Yeah. That's all.
Keep it open like that.
Oh, splat.
Spread, yeah.
Oh. He'll be hot. Yeah. I
Keep it open. Keep it open.
I cannot.
What's that, EMíLIE?
Fish.
I know, but what did you put in there?
Pepper.
Salt.
Toto je su. Dito tayo na maslo.
Di maslo itu ada peppernya yo.
Untuk
Yeah, I'm shooting from the top because I have no space.
They so salty.
You put salt in maslo.
yeah, and pepper. So I don't need to put it inside. It's going to spread.
Ew, so
Do you know that your finger is very dirty?
I just wash it, but it's stuck there.
Hope nobody commented.
Just a little bit more.
Well done, EMíLIE. No, yeah. Are you cold? Ooh, so windy.
The pepper looks so hard.
I go squeeze the parsley a bit.
Okay.
Put it in there.
Let me find a small one.
Squeeze it like that.
Yes, your finger is really... I cannot even zoom it. Parsley inside the tummy.
Okay.
Okay, let's put it over here.
I tried so hard and got too far.
Look at that.
I mean, sing. I tried so hard and got too far. In the end, it doesn't even matter.
Like the ballerina.
You sing.
But I love you. But I see you. But
What do you put, Beb?
Apple wood chips. So
Wood chips?
yeah, wood chips. Because it's on the gas. And
From
this is,
apple?
This, yeah.
It's,
It's
apple
from apple.
wood
It's
chips.
apple. It's
Apple tree.
It's eye chips.
Apple tree.
Yeah, it's from apple tree.
Huh?
So it's gonna make it smoky. Gonna put the chips, a little bit of the water, so it's not catch a fire. It's gonna be like a smoking inside there.
So you're gonna make it smoked fish?
Yeah,
because
Fish.
also
like
Fish.
like on
I
a wood
just
grill,
catch
no?
some another fish. Also, I just catch another fish.
Oh, nggak dibakar, mau di smoke ternyata.
Apple wood.
Tata. Also, I just catch another fish.
Ja, červenou, že? A žabku taky?
Uh-huh. To cook it.
Why you think so?
A sun, I mean a sun.
Maybe the sun will cheer him up. The fishy.
Ale, don't put sand on the fish.
Gonna be crispy then.
So
I'm gonna
tired.
cook it. Okay, then I'm gonna cook
Jadi tadi kayunya sudah dikasih air, terus dikasih dalam sini ya guys ya. Terus kita tunggu.
Mommy, I'm gonna also cook.
Cook.
Mommy, you can cook. Ah!
Tata. Wow. You're anti-fire, babe. Ale dramatik Emil tuh.
And also, I am
Ada apa di
bringing
bicikit?
my favorite.
Fish is going in. Fish is going in.
Now I'm gonna also put it in the oven.
Do you want something?
Mommy, I'm also putting it in the oven. Mommy, I'm also.
Yo,
Ano?
Yo, ano.
Now let's start with the cooking.
Is it going that maybe too big, the fire?
Pretty small already.
Yum. But I don't eat fish.
I like to eat fish.
Oh, broken.
That's okay.
That's okay.
I guess the best part is this one. Makan.
Of course, I'm still cooking.
Ini hasilnya, guys. Mr. Chef,
Yeah.
can you say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching with Miss Chef.
Oh, wow.
She has also a fish.
Down
This
there.
puppy
Where is your fish?
here. Already ready?
No, yo. Okay, thank you for
Alright.
watching.
See you.
Bye-bye.